Everyone online keeps saying the same thing. You can make money with AI. You can build a dropshipping store in minutes. You can make passive income while you sleep. But here's the question. Nobody is really answering. Is any of that actually real? Or is it just another overhyped internet lie? So I decided to test it properly. I gave myself 7 days to build an AI-powered dropshipping store from scratch and try to make real money with it. No team, no coding, no experience needed. Just AI and execution. And if this works, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy it. Before we get into it, if you want simple, practical ways to make money online without confusion or fluff, make sure you subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. This channel is all about breaking things down so you can actually take action. Why this matters? Right now, AI is changing everything. People are using it to build websites, write content, find products, even run entire businesses. And dropshipping has always been one of the easiest ways to start making money online because you don't need inventory, warehousing, or even your own products. You're basically acting as the middleman. You find a product, you list it online. When someone buys it, a supplier ships it directly to the customer. You keep the profit. Simple in theory. But here's the problem. Most people never make money with dropshipping, not because it doesn't work, but because they overcomplicate it, pick bad products, waste money on ads, or quit too early. So the real question becomes, can AI remove all that friction? Can it actually make this process simple, fast, and profitable? That's what I wanted to find out. The challenge to keep this realistic, and not one of those fake guru experiments, I set 3 strict rules. Rule number 1, I can only use AI tools to build and run the store. Rule number 2, I have a very small budget. Rule number 3, everything must be done within 7 days. No shortcuts, no hidden advantages, just what you could realistically do yourself, because there's no point showing you something you can't replicate. The plan. Before jumping in, I mapped out exactly what needed to happen. Not 20 complicated steps, just a simple, focused plan. 1. Build the store using AI. 2. Pick a niche that actually sells. 3. Find winning products. 4. Launch the store. 5. Drive traffic using a simple strategy. 6. Track results and adjust. That's it. If I could execute those 6 steps properly, there was a real chance this could work. Day 1, starting from 0. All right, day 1, no store, no products, no setup, just a blank screen and a timer. And this is where most people get stuck. They overthink everything. What niche should I choose? What products should I sell? What if I mess it up? So instead of trying to be perfect, I focused on one thing: momentum. Because in this game, speed matters more than perfection. Picking the right niche. Now here's a mistake beginners always make. They choose a niche based on what they like. But this isn't about passion. It's about demand. So instead I asked a better question. What do people already spend money on consistently? And there are a few categories that always perform well. Fitness, beauty, tech, pets, home improvement. I decided to go with fitness. Why? Because people are always trying to improve their health. New trends constantly appear. Products are easy to market visually, and most importantly, it's a niche where people are already buying. No convincing required. Building the store with AI. Now this is where things get interesting. Instead of spending hours designing a website, I used an AI-powered tool to generate the entire store. And within minutes, I had a homepage, product pages, basic layout, store structure, all done automatically. No coding, no design skills, no stress. And honestly, this is where AI changes the game, because what used to take beginners days, now it takes minutes. Why this step is important. Most people quit before they even launch. Not because they're lazy, but because the setup feels overwhelming. So if AI removes that barrier, that alone increases your chances of success massively, because now you can focus on what actually matters: getting sales, customizing, just enough. Now here's something important. I didn't try to make the store perfect. No fancy animations, no complicated branding, just simple, clean, and functional. Because a lot of beginners waste time trying to make their store look premium, when in reality, customers don't care about perfection. They care about clear products, easy navigation, trust. So I made a few quick adjustments. Picked a clean banner and made sure the store looked neutral, appealing to everyone, kept everything simple and clear, done, no overthinking. The real shift. At this point, something clicked. This wasn't about building a perfect business. It was about building a working system. A system that finds products, displays them, sells them, delivers them. And AI was handling most of the heavy lifting, which meant the real challenge wasn't technical anymore. It was strategic. Moving to the next step with the store structure in place. The next big question was, what am I actually going to sell? Because this is where most dropshipping stores either succeed or completely fail. You can have the best-looking website in the world, but if your product is wrong, nothing sells. And I knew this next step would decide everything. Now that the store was built, everything came down to one thing: the product. Because in dropshipping, your product isn't just what you sell. It's your entire business. Finding a winning product. Here's the truth most people ignore. You don't need a perfect product. You need a proven one. So, instead of guessing, I used AI and product research tools to find items that were already selling. And I filtered based on 3 simple criteria. 1. It solves a real problem. 2. It's easy to demonstrate visually. 3. It has mass appeal. After going through multiple options, one product stood out immediately: a simple fitness tool designed to improve breathing and endurance. Now, this might not sound exciting, but that's exactly why it works. Because it targets a specific pain point. People want better performance, stamina, and results. And when a product connects directly to a result like that, it becomes much easier to sell. Adding products, without doing everything manually. Now, instead of uploading products one by one, AI handled most of the process. Product images, added automatically. Descriptions, generated instantly. Pricing suggestions, already calculated and within minutes. The store actually looked like a real business, not something thrown together. Small detail, big impact. One thing I noticed immediately: the store wasn't flashy, but it felt clean and trustworthy. And that matters more than people think. Because when someone lands on your site, they're asking one question: can I trust this? Not, is this the most beautiful website I've ever seen? So instead of over-designing, I kept things simple and focused on clarity. Launching the store. At this point, there was nothing left to tweak. No more excuses. No more just one more improvement. So I did the most important step. I launched. And this is where most people fail. They stay stuck in preparation mode, endlessly adjusting, never actually going live. But here's the truth. You don't make money from perfect setups. You make money from live systems. Getting traffic without burning money. Now comes the part everyone worries about: traffic. Because without traffic, there are no sales. And most beginners immediately jump into paid ads and lose money. So I took a different approach. Instead of spending hundreds, I used micro-influencers. Why? micro-influencers work. These are creators with smaller audiences, but higher engagement. And that's key, because people trust them more, their audience is more connected, and they're far more affordable. So instead of chasing big influencers, I focused on smaller accounts in the fitness space and reached out with a simple idea. Create a short, engaging video featuring the product. Nothing complicated. Just something that grabs attention, shows the product in action, feels natural. The strategy. I wasn't trying to go viral. I wasn't trying to build a brand. I just wanted to answer one question. Will people actually buy this? So I kept it simple. One product, one promotion, one test. Because before scaling anything, you need proof. The wait after the content went live. There was nothing left to do. No tweaking, no adjusting, no overthinking. Just wait. And this is the uncomfortable part. Because now, you're forced to face reality. Either it works or it doesn't. The results, real numbers. After 24 hours, I checked the store, and something interesting happened. We had sales, not hundreds, not thousands, but real, actual sales. The product was converted. And when I broke down the numbers, revenue came in, costs were covered. And after everything, the profit was small, very small. The truth. Most people won't tell you this is where most make money online videos lie. They show you big revenue, but hide reality. So let's be honest. The first result was not life-changing, but it was something more important. Proof. Proof that the system works, the product sells, the process is real, and that changes everything. The real opportunity. Because now, you're not guessing anymore. You're not hoping. You have data, and once you have a system that works, scaling becomes the game. Think about it. If one product can generate sales, what happens when you add more products, work with more influencers, improve your store, increase traffic? Now you're not building from scratch. You're multiplying results. How you can copy this. If you want to replicate this, don't overcomplicate it. Follow the exact same structure. 1. Pick a niche with demand. 2. Use AI to build your store quickly. 3. Find proven products, not guesses. 4. Launch fast. Don't wait for perfect. 5. Use micro-influencers to test. 6. Focus on proof before scaling. That's it. No fancy strategies, no complicated systems. Just execution. Final takeaway. AI doesn't magically make you rich, but it removes the hardest parts. Setup, research, execution speed, which means the only thing left is you taking action, because the opportunity isn't in knowing this, it's in doing it. If you want more step-by-step breakdowns like this, where you can actually learn how to make money online and not just watch someone else do it, make sure you subscribe to Daily Money Clarity. And if you're ready to take this seriously, start now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now.